Yes. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and today is Saturday and anong date ba? Hindi na naman tayo sure anong date. What's the date? Yeah, June 13. June 13 Saturday and it's my day off kaya may time akong mag-video today. And by the way guys, it's like 4:10 already in the afternoon. At dahil tinamad ako guys because it's my day off. I've been working the whole week. So Saturday, I woke up so late, around 11 in the morning. And then my allergy. Pag summer kasi dito in Denmark, I always got this grass allergy and all that. And it's really, really bad because I'm sneezing all the time. My eyes are itchy. I get runny nose. My throat are itchy. My throat is itchy and I had to take an allergy pill and I really don't want to take it because every time I take it I get so tired that I actually fall asleep. And what's hard about this is that I work full time in a clothing shop, so I have to face a lot of people every single day. And can you see the problem is like if I don't take it, then I will be sneezing all the time, having runny nose in front of the customer, and because of this corona going on, they're gonna get like somehow freak out, like maybe if I have it or something like. But no, I don't have it. It's just grass allergy I have every summer here in Denmark. But if I'm taking it, which I do, I always get so tired that even at work while studying, I feel like I'm a walking zombie. So yon yung problema ko. But I love summer. Like I love the warm. I love the green plants coming up and the colors. I love it. But the problem is always I have this grass allergy and I'm taking a pill, this like Benadryl. Yeah, and it's good for 24 hours. Now I'm about to sneeze again. It's so hard. Ah, so anyway, I'm alone here right now in the house, in this apartment. Kasi yung asawa ko si Martin, he is in the garden and he's doing a lot of garden work. And he actually wanted me to come with him, but I said I really need a day off. It's been a very, very busy week for me. So I need even just a one day off that I can just be alone in the house and do nothing. And so I got a little bored. So now I'm making a video. And I think it's been 2 weeks, 3 weeks already that I have not made any. So now, oh my gosh, this allergy is really killing me. So, ano bang gagawin natin? Whew, maybe I should just take a pill right now. Yeah. So this is I'm taking every single summer in Denmark. This is like my best friend. I'm taking it every single day. And I was thinking, oh, I'm not gonna take it today, because I'm just home anyway. Should I take? Should I not take? Because if I'm taking it in 30 minutes, I'm pretty sure I'm sleeping again. So anyway, let's wait a bit. So yun, iniisip ko, ano bang video ang gagawin ko for today? I'm alone and I actually saw this funny video. It's another YouTuber, I forgot the name, but she was doing this 100 layer of lipstick challenge. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I have this. And I've had this, actually this one I really love because when you put it on, it's not too obvious. So because I always want to have just the natural color and I don't really, I'm shy. Somebody's actually outside and they were holding hands and they could see me and they were, who cares? So anyway, yeah. So anyway, I'm standing right here and the window is there. That's why it's like good lighting. So I'm gonna put lipstick on, 100 layers of lipstick and see what happens. Of course, you know what's gonna happen, but let's just do it for fun. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. So I've been using this, but not that much. I don't really wear makeup that much. Okay, I have to go back a bit because there's people there. They could see what I'm doing. Hide a bit. Hide. My gosh, it's so funny. So anyway, now I'm gonna put it first. It's gonna be a long one because 100 layers. Okay, now there. Wait, I'm gonna get near to you guys again. Okay, good. So now here you go. First, that's one. See, I really like this because it's not that strong color that it's like, oh. So that's one. Two. Three. 4. My gosh, ang tagal pa matapos nito. Nasa 4 pa lang tayo. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 10 na tayo, guys. 90 to go. 11. 12. 13. 14. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Nasa 20 na tayo. 80 more. My gosh. 20 ha. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Oh, ano na ngayon, ha? Kardashian na tayo. Nasa 30 na, guys. 70 more. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 6. 37. 38. 39. 40. Kita pala ako sa labas, guys. Uy. 40 na. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Halfway na tayo. Nasa 50 na, guys. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. Nasa tis ko na ay. Da. 55 na to, no? 86. 87. 88. 89. 60. 60. Natatawa ako sa sarili ko. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 6. 67. 68. 69. 70. Oh, 70 na, guys. My gosh. 81. 72. 73. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80 na yan, ha? Yung ngipin ko puno na lipstick, 80. Tagalin natin. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 90 na. 91. 92. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yan na guys. Tingnan ano nangyari. So anyway, ito pala yung gamit ko. Revlon siya. And I really like this one actually. Because the color is not so obvious, but you know, I get 100 layers of lipstick on my lips right now. At linisin na lang muna natin siya. So, yan. Yan yung result. Picturean muna natin para ano. Natatawa ako sa sarili ko. Lininisin ko pa ba guys? Tanggalin na lang ng diretsyo. Wait lang. Wala naman. Yeah. So yan guys, that's the 100 layers of lipstick on my lips. Hindi naman pala ganun kaano eh. Okay naman pala siya. Kailangan lang talaga siyang maging malinis. And I think you can actually wear it long lasting. Look at my teeth. I love my lipstick. It's so crazy. So anyway, yun yung ating video for today. At least nakagawa ko na isa guys eh. So yun, and as I'm saying na, watch lang kayo ng video ko guys, and I'm gonna do the same. Pero maybe it will take time kasi nga hindi naman ako full time nag-YouTube kung may time lang talaga. And I hope na you're gonna continue watching my channel, and I'm gonna do the same sa inyo. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great Saturday!